What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw Wolverine. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the bottom edge of the brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up and then we'll bend that out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing, bending this up and out. Now tuck the bottom of the eyes in underneath the brow. Starting on the left, we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down and then up on the inside. Let's fold up the inside of the brow from these 2 points, bend this in and then up. And then in between we'll add a short curve across the brow. Now I want to come all the way down and draw the top edge of the mouth. We're going to start with a curve coming down and up. And we'll bend down the ends towards the corners of the mouth. In the center, let's step down and add a short curve for the lip. Let's add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Now from here we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. Let's move over toward the left. I'm just going to curve this down, just underneath the mouth. Go across and then bend that up towards the right. Let's draw the inside edge of the mask. In the center, just up above the mouth, we're going to curve this up and then out toward the left, just underneath the eye. And do the same thing on the right. Let's draw a short angled line coming down and in. Come straight down and then bend that in towards the chin. Let's add a trim along the center of the face. Start from the inside of the eye, bend this in and then down. And then from here we're going to work our way up towards those 2 points along the top of the head. Let's start with the left. Bend this out. Pull this up towards the top. Do the same thing on the right, going out and then up towards the same height. Now from here we want to bend this down and then in towards the top of the brow. And then we'll tuck the top of the head in behind these 2 points. Let's start over on the left, curve this up in the middle, go across, and then bend that down. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. We'll start all the way over on the left side, curve this down and then in towards the hip, go to the right and do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's move in between the hips and draw a circle for the buckle. And we'll trace that circle along the inside. Let's go back to the hips, bend this down and then in towards the bottom edge of the circle. Step up and draw another one. Let's add a trim across the side of the body. Come down and then bend that in towards the top of the belt. Now we're going to go to the center of the body and add a curve for the bottom edge of the chest. Now let's draw in the shoulders. We're going to start halfway down the side of the body. Let's bend this out and then up. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. Then from here, bend this up and in behind the head. From the bottom of the belt, let's step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, come down, and then bend that up towards the outside. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot. We're going to go up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel like a half circle. Now let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Starting on the left, we're going to go out, and then bend that down on top of the feet. From the top of the foot, we're going to step up, add a trim, coming down and up across the edge of the boot. Now we're going to go back up underneath the belt and add a trim going across the side of the leg, going out and then down. Now we're going to tuck the arms in underneath the shoulders. Let's start from the side of the body, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. Do the same thing on the right. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a small half circle for the thumb, coming in and out. And then we'll add a bracket on the ends. Let's go underneath the thumb and draw the first finger. We're going to come down and then bend that up around that bracket. Now I'm going to layer those claws on top of the hands. Let's start from here, angle this up and out. And bend this out and then back in. Let's taper this, going back up and then in behind that finger. Now I'm going to add 2 more claws on either side. Let's start from the left, angle this up and out, curl this out and then down, and then taper this back up and just tuck that in towards the side. Let's do that one more time. Stepping down, go up and out, go all the way around towards the bottom, and then just taper that back in. Now we're going to draw the outside of the arm. From this point, we're going to step down, bend the arm going up, and bend that in underneath the shoulders. Let's separate the edge of the glove. We're going to start halfway along the inside of the arm, bend this up, and then out. And then we'll add a strap on the outside. Stepping down, and this in, come down with an angled line, and bend that back out. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Wolverine. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also check out our other channels. I'll leave the links for you in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.